Kristen, thank you so much for joining us again today. I know you have another holiday design tip for us, so walk us through that.
Yeah, thanks for having me again. So I think some questions came up last time after we talked about the stocking tags about, well, what if I don't have a traditional fireplace in my home? After all, we are in Texas, and so we don't tend to use them very often. So not everybody actually does have a fireplace. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and look at some great ideas for some alternative stocking hangings. So everything I found was actually directly off of HGTV's website. And these were all really cute and clever ways to hang stockings, either ways that you can buy things or create things yourself. So the upper left hand shows actually just like a really simple wall shelf that has clips. And so they hung the stockings off of the clips, and it looks like they put maybe the kids' photos on top of each one to designate, you know, whose is whose. And you can still use that stocking tag with any of these, of course, too, but these are just another great alternative. The middle top actually shows a really cute ladder, rustic looking, and you could even use a blanket ladder that hangs, that just leans against the wall. So that would be another alternative to this look. And they also decorated it, which I thought was really cute. On the far right, they actually used a really cute coat hanger. So if you happen to have one handy, it looks like they painted this one red. You could definitely dress it up or add lights if you wanted to and hang the stockings that way. And then, of course, if you have stairs, you can always see people on the lower left that they'll put garland along the staircase and then also hang the stockings there. Or that last bottom one in the middle, someone actually created that. So they actually got a branch and they tied it up with some twine and put a little decor on it and then hang the stockings that way. So these are all really great alternatives that still look really cute and festive. But if you don't have a fireplace, then you can, there's always a way to find a cute way to hang your stockings up.
This is great. I love it. Any other final thoughts on that?
Hey, just have fun with it. Enjoy it. I always love, even though our kids are older, we still have all of our stockings up too. So it's just a great way to be festive and make the house look homey for the holidays.